I just caught the pike. Upton's all mad. And fucking, I'm letting him use my rod with the spinner bait on it, and we'll see what happens.
Boom!
No.
Yeah.
You're talking shit.
Fuck you, I am. Look at there, he's right there.
Where? What the fuck? Okay, man.
You're not the only one who can catch fucking fish, buddy.
Well, I guess we're using white spinner baits from now on.
Ballin'. He's got some fucking jump in him anyways. Let's fucking get him out there to spawn and make us bigger fucking fish.
They like that, eh?
Oh, I got him good, right through the bottom of the jaw.
Sick.